As an admin of a board, you can set a Hoot to automatically hide from your board after a certain date. A great example of this might be if we take a look at this demo board right here, where you see an event Hoot that is pinned to the top, and the event takes place on January 15th. And after the event ends, I want this board to just hide from the board so nobody else can see it, and then still be able to access it in the future. So the way you would do this is you can click right into the Hoot, or you can click on the More over here and click on Manage Hoot. And then once you're inside the Hoot, you can go over here to the Manage Hoot section. And down here at the bottom, you'll see that there's a checkbox for hide after, and then it lets you choose a date. So I'm going to go ahead and check this. And then I'm going to select a date, which is going to be after the date that the event takes place. So you can make it further if you wanted, but I'm going to go ahead and set January 15th. And then that should be saved. So once you do this, once the end of that day comes, then this Hoot will no longer be seen on your board. There's another way to hide Hoots as a poster. So when you're going to post, you can actually set it to hide after the event date. And in the future, will allow you to do it on any type of post. But what I've done here is I have a link to an event from Eventbrite. I'm going to copy and paste it into here. And when you use Who to link it, grabs all the event information from Eventbrite. So in here you'll see that there's a checkbox for hide my Hoot after the event, and this works much the same in the same way. So I'm going to go ahead and post my Hoot. Now that the board is refreshed, this is my new Hoot right here. So if I click into it, the event was taking place on December 12th, and you'll see that the hide after date has already automatically been selected. So this is where the admin would see it. And so that just gives you another option for when you're posting the Hoot on how you can set an expiry date if it's an event. But within the Manage Hoot, you can do it for any type of post on your board. So once you hide the Hoot, in the future you will be able to access the Hoot from an archive section, or you'll be able to search for it using the search on the board.